Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about number line. Okay, so let's start. Here, see here it's a number line. So, a number line is a line which has numbers marked on it at equal distance. So, and also a number line, in the center, we have to observe the 0. Okay, number line with a 0, the middle of this line, and here we have to write the numbers from left side to right side. Okay, so like this. So this is called a number line. Number line is a line which has numbers marked on it equal distance. So equal distance. Okay, so look here children. So it starts from the 0. So from this side, left and right, also this number line includes the number. So start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so here this is a right side, this is a left side. So both the side it contains this line having the numbers in equal distance and number line. Okay, so here what we have to do here? So first time here is I have to write here right. Right means numbers increase from left to right. So this is our left, so left to right. So look here children, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for example here. So what happened here? So left to right, in the right side, so numbers are increased. So look here, 0. So after that 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this the numbers increase from left to right side. Okay, so that is, I will show you like this arrow mark, the right side. Okay, so when the numbers increases from left to right side, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next, so left side. So what happened? So left to right. So what happened? Numbers decreases from right to left. Okay, so look here, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So left side to right side, so what happened here? The numbers are decreases the value. So like this, 9 after 8, 7, 6, then 5. So like this it decreases from right to left. So look here children, I draw here the boxes. Okay, so here for example I wrote here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next, so in the left side I write, so here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so look here children. So what I doing here? So the numbers on left to right side, the numbers are increases. So right to left what happen? So numbers are decreases. So that we can call it as the forward counting. So forward counting means counting forward means going ahead. So we count forward when we move from left to right on a number line. For example 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is a forward counting. Okay, we count forward when we move from left to right. So it increases, the numbers increase when counting forward. Okay, so for example 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like this, left to Right, I will show you arrow mark here. So next, what happened for backward counting? So backward means going back. Okay, so left to, that is what happened, that is the right to left. For example, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I will show you arrow mark like this. Okay, so this means number decreases when counting backward. So number value decreases counting backward. So this is, we call it as a backward counting. So this is about number line and forward counting as well as backward counting. Okay. So if you like the video, children, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.